Fish chowder. Start off with salt pork, and I fry that until I get some oil. Cook the onions. I throw in a few potatoes to like thicken up the chowder. And then I throw in the bigger potatoes, and then in a few minutes I'm going to throw in the fish, and then the cream and the butter. Okay, the potatoes are tender. Check them out. You just make sure that they're like soft. Throw in some cream, heavy cream. Throw in some butter. Throw in the fish. I just got chowder fish. Sometimes I like to have a certain type of fish, but this was on sale. And you just let it sit there and simmer until the fish will flake. Don't stir the chowder. Just let the fish sit there until it starts to flake. Once it flakes, you can stir it a little bit and it should be done. The fish is at a low simmer. As you can see, it's just barely simmering. And what you're kind of doing is poaching the fish, and you gotta wait until it starts to flake, and it's not really flaking yet. Don't stir it. You can, make sure it's in the in the broth or whatever. And you can add some pepper, or if you like any other particular spice like Old Bay or whatever. But you just leave it alone till the fish is done, and you should have good New England chowder. Okay, this is it. The fish is really done. If you look at it, it flakes easily. You don't have to do much to it. And I forgot to mention at the beginning, when you render the salt pork, you save. It's kind of like bacon. You put it on the top of the chowder later. Don't leave it in there. And you don't need to add any salt because there's a lot of salt from the pork. Salt pork, and it's really done. I'm just going to let it cool off a little, and I'm going to be eating food.